Hi, this is Clint from Versa. This is a short video regarding, with Versa Secure SD-WAN, where can I enforce my security policy? So we're going to look at 6 different options. So options 1 and 2 will be using Versa for security policy enforcement, and then 3, 4, and 5 are going to be leveraging your existing security solution to enforce policy. So in the Versa solution, we would define our security policy in Versa Director. And option 1 is we'd have a site, we'd have our LAN infrastructure, we'd have the Versa node performing SD-WAN functions and also enforcing your security policy right at the branch. Option 2 is similar to option 1, so it's all Versa. So we have Versa secure SD-WAN nodes in all our branches. We have central Versa secure SD-WAN hubs in a hub location or a data center. In this configuration, we maybe have a just simple, lightweight SD-WAN config in the branch. And basically in the hub, we then have all our security policy enforcement back in the hub location. So this is another option. Option 3 is using your existing next-gen firewall appliance. So we basically have the LAN infrastructure inside the site. The Versa node is doing SD-WAN functions. We're then sending any traffic you want to the next-gen firewall for security policy enforcement. The next option is very similar, but in a virtual environment. So we have an x86 box here running some sort of virtualization platform. And then on top of there, we have both a Versa SD-WAN VNF and your existing next-gen firewall VNF, and these are service chained together. So this is another option. Option 4A is similar to option 4. There are still VNFs, but basically in this option, Versa is running on bare metal. We support a feature called UCPE. So basically we are a KVM hypervisor and we can host other VNFs on top of Versa and take care of service chain management. So here, Versa is running on bare metal. We're doing all the SD-WAN functions and routing functions on bare metal, and then we're service chaining select traffic to your next-gen firewall for policy enforcement. And then lastly, looking at a cloud model. So this is looking at an existing cloud security solution like a Zscaler or Palo Alto Prisma or Symantec WSS. So we have a Versa node in the branch doing SD-WAN functions. We then send certain trusted traffic like Office 365 and Salesforce directly to the destination, bypassing cloud security. But then any untrusted traffic is sent to the cloud security solution for policy enforcement. So we do recommend our security solution. Sometimes it does take the security department a few months to get comfortable with Versa as a security solution, but this is our recommendation. We can also integrate into your as-is state for security. So with Versa, you can enforce your security policy wherever or however you want. Use Versa for security, use current next-gen firewall vendor for security, use your current cloud solution for security, or any combination thereof. But basically, Versa does give you a security stack in the branch that's available for whatever use case you want. So let's get a closer look at cloud security solution for branches. So even with cloud security and SD-WAN, we'll still require some security in the branch. This is to contain any branch security breaches and prevent lateral intruder movement between branches. This would be to perform network authentication and control in the branch, and to maintain segmentation between the enterprise, guest, and IoT networks as the traffic moves from the LAN to the SD-WAN. And then also to secure the guest Wi-Fi network with zone protection. So we are hearing from customers that the cloud security solutions are not good for voice and video traffic, or at least some customers and some solutions. So if we have to steer voice and video traffic around the cloud security solution, we then require on-premise security to enforce this traffic. So in cloud security, SD-WAN magic is not applied to network traffic from the branch to the cloud security solution, period, mitigating many of the benefits of SD-WAN. Ideally, the branch SD-WAN appliance would have a robust security stack and be multi-tenant. This gives the enterprise the most capabilities and flexibility to meet current and future needs. So what are our security capabilities? So basically, Versa has integrated a modern security stack, including next generation firewall and unified threat management. How good is our security? So we are NSS Labs recommended for next gen firewall, and we are NSS Labs recommended for next gen IPS. So if we look at the value of integrating powerful security into SD-WAN, so we allow you to define your enterprise security policy centrally in Versa Director and enforce it at as many Versa secure SD-WAN appliances as you'd like. We give you the power to distribute the next-gen firewall and SSL decryption workload across hundreds or thousands of Versa secure SD-WAN nodes. And there's no need to add a third-party next-gen firewall VNF at all your branches. And Versa has a single pipeline for SD-WAN, routing, and security packet processing to deliver the best voice and video experience. This also reduces the WAN Edge appliance compute requirement. And by unifying SD-WAN and security, this translates into significant cost savings. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.